How to fix TikTok follow unfollow problem. If any day any of you are a TikTok user and you would like to fix your TikTok follow unfollow problem, but you do not know how to fix that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to go to the search icon on your mobile device and then go to the option of TikTok. After you find the very TikTok application, you have to tap on that. After you tap on that, now you can see an interface like this. Now you have to go to the option of app information. After you tap on app information, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to tap on the option of notifications. After you tap on notifications, you have to allow the notifications and allow sound and vibration. Now you have to go back once again and then go to the option of permissions. After tapping on permissions, you have to allow the permission to camera, contacts, location, microphone, music and audio, nearby devices, notification and photos and videos. Now you have to go back again and then go to the option of set as default. After tapping on set as default, you have to enable open the supported links and then go back again. Now you have to tap on the option of storage. After you tap on the option of storage, you can see an interface like this. Now if you see any of the cache out there, you have to go to the option of clear the cache and then go back again. Now you have to tap on the option of app details in store. After tapping on app details in store, now you can see an interface like this. If you see the option of update out there, you have to update your very application by tapping on the option of update, and you have to wait until it gets updated up to 100% days, and after that your problem may be solved. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.